if you want to see my more videos, travel videos and gameplays and toy reviews and also gadget reviews, then subscribe my channel Iknoor World. Let's start this video. 1, 2, 3, go! And today I am unboxing this smart folding drone. Wahoo! So this is the front, this is the back, these are the sides, this is the top. Okay, too much am I right? This is the top and it's like a bit bumpy texture. See this? If you can see, it's like putting stickers on it. So it is one key take off and one key landing. Okay, it has photos and windows, roll 360 flights. Wow, it has altitude hold, built in gyroscope, 2.4 gigahertz. Wow, modular battery, Wi-Fi image transmission, headless mode. Okay, so now let's see what sits in the back. 998 Pro Max Micro Foldable Drone Set. Okay, this I have still, but portable folding 4K camera. Wow, altitude hold and Wi-Fi WIFL transmission. And there are dual cameras. Oh, woohoo! Let me guess. First camera is over here and the second camera is over here. Okay, so now what is the price? The price is $699. For the best price, you have to see my whole video, and it is 14 plus. I'm 10 plus. And no worries, oh wow. Come on out. 1 sec. Let me just. Oh, the other side is tape. Open the tape. Okay, why is it so weird? Come on. Yes, it is out now. We can do this. Oh, boom. Oh. Okay, yeah. Now. Oh, 1 sec. What is that? I opened it the wrong way. 1 sec. Come on. Oh. 1 sec. Let me just. Oh, nice remote actually. Let me just put everything inside first. Okay. First, let me just take out these. 1 sec. Boop. I don't need it. We need this. Yes, we need this. And let me just keep it over here. Now, first let me change the remote. Good quality. That was that side. Okay, good quality. Next, we have the drone. Hello, the drone. Whoop. 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 And a whoop. Woohoo. Okay, now it is the battery. Is the battery okay? Should I try and put it? Let me just put it. Okay, please be charged. Woohoo! It works. Okay, let me just off it. Okay, now it's stuck. No worries. And it made the drone heavier. Now, what is this? Do you know what I want to do? Oh my god. One component fell, but no worries. Okay. This was the component which fell. See this? It's so teensy tiny. Okay, now they have given a screwdriver, and these are the wings, I suppose. Yes. And what are these? Oh, for protection. One sec, I think. One sec, I have to see it. Okay, yeah. There is no tuck or anything sound, but no, okay. One sec, okay. Come on, come up. Woohoo! We have successfully did it. So it's for protections, but how to remove it? See this button thingy over here? We just press it and it's out. It's super easy, but I don't need protection. And let me just put some batteries on the remote, so the remote will say bye bye. And now it is done. Okay, let's see. Should I fly it over here? One sec. Let me just put everything back. One sec. This will take a bit time. Oh, an extra screw also. Little tiny component. Okay, I am really scared. Oh, nice sound. One sec, I am just backing a bit. Oh my god, it works so good. So now I am going to tell you about the drone's function. If you press it, it will get on, and look at it. It's so beautiful, the lighting. It's lighting from both ways. It has the lighting from like the top, the front side and the back side. And to off it, you need to hold it. Okay, and one thing more I forgot it, that if you connect it with it, it gets like blinking gets off. See this, it's off, the blinking. Otherwise, one sec, I have to off it and turn it on again. Otherwise, this is like the pairing stage. Okay, so now this is about the remote. Actually, I don't know all the features, but I just know one thing, that this is emergency landing. Like if you hold it for 3 seconds, it will like, oh, it's falling. And if the battery gets like over, then it will comfortably land on the spot, not like and these are the antennas, like we have to do this and then it will like connect to the drone. Okay, and this is for the speed. There is max 3 speed, and this is the flip, like 360 flip. Okay, and this is emergency landing. To go up, you need to do this. Yeah, just this. Okay, and if you want to turn like this, like the chair, then you need to move this and this. This is for the movement. This. See this. This. Okay, and this is I think for like the clicking the photos and stuff. And if you still like you want to do all of it, then you have to like read the manual. It is like in one sec, I have to open it. It is in English and Chinese also. And I forgot it. One more thing, that we can do this for the phone. And one sec, yeah. And the app QR code is this. If you want to do like download it, then you have to see this, and the controls of the app are here. This is all about the drone, but one more thing, that they have only given one cable for charging, this small. Okay, and it is one sec, and it is like this type of cable. I don't know what is the type of it, but it's like a happy mouth. And you need to charge the drone. Okay, it's not the drone, sorry, the battery, which can be removed, but I don't know why I can't remove it. Okay, so let me just off it, and now it's time for me to go outdoors and fly it. Okay, bye bye. Not bye bye, but we are going outdoors. Boom. load. 1 sec. See this, I am scanning it. Okay, and it will lead you like this website. Then you have to go to App Store if you have Apple, and this is the name of like the app. And if I open it, this is it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the camera quality. First, we need to actually connect to its Wi-Fi. It's like Wi-Fi 8K something, and we click start. Okay. Oh, there is my Mario. Why is my hand so shaky? Okay, it's not exactly like 4K, but it's good for like this price. And I'm upside down. And if your video is coming something like this, then you have to click this 180 button. Okay. Okay. And 1 sec. And we can do this also to swap the camera from below camera. As you can see, this is my table coming. Where is my stuff? You can shift it to below camera, and it's like a bit weird. It's like really old camera. And you can operate your drone from your phone also, like this or like this. Okay. So 1 sec, I have to off it, otherwise I will on the drone by mistake. So now it's time to end this video. So bye. And for the best price, you have to go in the description below. And please like this video and subscribe my channel. Iknoor.